Have you ever wondered, what is beta and why is it so important when it comes to investing? Well, wonder no more. ValueSnip.com is here. A beta is an analytical number that helps us to see if a particular stock is volatile or passive comparing with the overall market. The overall market has a neutral number of 1. Any company that has a higher than number 1.3 and overrun the risk of being more volatile than the overall market. Like otherwise, any stock that has a beta of 1 or lower move relatively close with the market. For example, if Apple or ticker AAPL has a beta of 1.06, then this stock will move very alike with the overall market. However, on the other hand, if Apple has a beta of 1.3 or 1.4, this stock will violently spike up and down or act in a very volatile fashion comparing with the overall market. You might ask, why is this knowledge useful when it comes to investing? Well, if you are an aggressive investor that love the thrill of volatile stocks, then you might want to own stocks that have high beta in your portfolio. And if you're passive like me, that will get a panic attack when a particular company spike up and down too violently, then you might want to own stocks that have low beta. Choosing the right beta to suit your investment style is very important. By understanding your emotion when a stock spike up and down helps you to pick the right stock with the right beta based on your character. That is it for now. See you in the next video. Please check out our website at ValueSnip.com for more videos and to calculate the intrinsic value of a stock by using our advanced automatic calculators. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please help us by your likes and help us to share this video. We took the time to create this video for you. Please take the time paying forward. Thank you so much in advance and hope you enjoy the rest of your day.